Why is your treadmill shedding dust or black powder? Now, if you are seeing this kind of dust or powder at the end or at the rear of the treadmill, this is because it hasn't been used for a while, and lubrication on your treadmill is dry and worn out. So what you need to do is you need to re-lubricate the belt. If you continue to use it, you will damage the belt and the motor. So the best way to do it is to lubricate your belt so you can lift it up and give it some lubrication. Once it does that, and after using it for a few times, you should see that the dust will slowly stop. If it's still giving out black dust or black powder like this one here, then that means it's still dry, so you need to give it a bit more of lubrication. So give that a try and see if we can fix the problem. And that's it. Yeah, thank you for watching this video.